Have you ever imagined the sky above a battlefield filled with tiny, undetectable eyes, ready to spy on every move of the enemy? Welcome to the world of drones. From the Middle East to battlefields around the globe, drones have become key players in conflicts. The war in Ukraine is a prime example of how drones can change the course of battle. With their ability to target enemies with precision and gather intelligence, drones have become invaluable tools for modern militaries. Their presence has actually been around for almost a century, and modern drones have evolved significantly in both civil and military contexts over the past 4 decades. Are there visible challenges? What is the future of drones and modern warfare? Let's discuss further. Before diving deeper, it's important to note that according to worldmetrics.org, the global drone market is projected to reach $42.8 billion by 2025. In 2023 alone, the number of drones in the US is expected to nearly triple compared to the previous year. This surge in demand is not surprising, considering that drones have drastically reduced the time needed for field mapping from several weeks to just a few hours. In the past, combat drones were only accessible to military superpowers. However, the landscape has changed. The world now recognizes the potential of drones as one of the most significant technological advancements. Their smaller size and agile capabilities make them an attractive alternative. For instance, after Russia's invasion of Ukraine, larger drones struggled to survive in modern air defense environments. In many cases, they are better off avoided on the battlefield. On the other hand, smaller drones are thriving. They can operate below targetable thresholds, allowing them to survive longer. Equipped with various payloads such as electro-optical infrared, electronic warfare tools, or geospatial intelligence, they offer unmatched flexibility. Who wouldn't be captivated by this versatile technology, especially when offered at a lower cost? Drones are generally classified based on several characteristics, including function, size, payload, geographical range, flight endurance, and altitude. Smaller drones are typically used for surveillance, target acquisition, battle damage assessment, and information warfare. In contrast, larger drones are often utilized for reconnaissance, striking, and long-term information gathering, including conducting remote strikes. So, is it true that new technologies like drones will rapidly transform warfare? On land, at sea, and in the air, drones have become the weapon of choice in modern warfare. Since Russia launched its invasion of Ukraine, the face of conflict has undergone a dramatic transformation. Rapidly evolving technology is changing how we understand and engage in warfare. Currently, drone production in various countries is skyrocketing, reaching between 1 to 2 million units each year. Interest in drone technology is growing, with countries like Australia acknowledging its strategic benefits. The advantages of drones are evident on the battlefield. They are cheap, small, and easy to maintain. With an abundant supply, they can support a variety of missions with remarkable efficiency. In warfare, drones are game changers. They provide real-time, high-resolution imagery, allowing commanders to have better situational awareness. Accurate and timely intelligence is crucial for strategic planning, and this is where drones show their prowess. When launching attacks, they can target objectives with impressive precision, minimizing the risk of collateral damage. In this context, the use of drones brings fundamental changes. It is no longer the era of deploying troops to the front lines with unpredictable threats. With the ability to operate in hazardous environments without direct human presence, drones minimize risks for pilots and ground forces. They become the eyes and ears that protect, as well as the hands that pull the trigger with deadly accuracy, transforming how we wage war in this advanced new era. From a broader perspective, This transformation is not just about technology, it is a reflection of our ability to adapt to evolving challenges and uncertainties. Are drones a mirror of a future that is increasingly unpredictable? While these unmanned aircraft are considered game changers due to their enhanced surveillance capabilities, precision strikes, and cost-effectiveness, this doesn't necessarily indicate that the world will completely shift to this technology. Behind the resilience of drones lies the reality that in many scenarios, manned aircraft and ground troops still play irreplaceable roles. Imagine a complex battlefield where precision and strategy are key to success. Drones serve as sharp eyes, providing vital information and supporting operations with remarkable efficiency. However, as situations heat up and tensions rise, the presence of manned forces becomes essential. They can navigate the social and tactical nuances that machines often fail to understand. Drones should be viewed as powerful tools in military arsenals, not as complete replacements. Looking to the future, the potential of drones is expanding. With advancements in artificial intelligence, these unmanned aircraft are expected to operate autonomously, make real-time decisions, and adapt to ever-changing environments. Longer flight times and enhanced sensors will enable them to carry out more complex and varied missions. Not only on the battlefield, but drones also hold potential as solutions to various logistical challenges. With the ability to carry heavier payloads, they could be used to deliver medical supplies to hard-to-reach areas or transport goods in remote locations. So, how far can we rely on drones? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.